Hi and welcome again. In this video, we're going to talk about Divi PDF Viewer for WordPress add-on. You can get this add-on from Divi Marketplace. This add-on is listed on Elegant Themes Marketplace by the name of Divi PDF Viewer for WordPress. Just come to this page. I will put the link in the description and click on buy this item. And then you need to create an account and complete the process. I already have this plugin downloaded on my computer and that is why I'm not showing this. By the way, to use this plugin, as this is an add-on of PDF Viewer for WordPress, you need to download and install PDF Viewer for WordPress first. And you will get this plugin PDF Viewer for WordPress, which is the most favorite Flipbook and PDF Viewer plugin. You will find it on CodeCanon. It has over 7,000 sales and a lot of active installations. So get this plugin and this add-on and install it on your WordPress website. After that, come to your WordPress website. And then if you already have PDF Viewer created on your WordPress website, then you just use the Divi PDF Viewer WordPress add-on. But if you using the PDF Viewer for WordPress first time, you need to create a PDF Viewer first. Let me show you how to use Divi PDF Viewer for WordPress add-on here. You can easily embed or show a link of PDF or PDF Viewer using the Divi Builder if you use this add-on. You can use it on any post or pages. Let's take a page and see what it does. Let's create a page. Okay, so let's name the page Divi PDF testing. And I'm going to use the Divi Builder. Let's start building. Take a section and then search for PDF. You can see this add-on comes up with 6 modules: the bookshelf, the list grid, Navigative, PDF Viewer Embed, PDF Viewer Image, and PDF Viewer Link. So let's start with PDF Viewer Link. When you take this module, it will be asking to select a PDF. Let's say I'm selecting my test magazine, and I need to put a link text. Open PDF is the default. You can put anything here, like check this PDF. You can put a link class so that you can put additional CSS later sometime. Then there is link target. That is, if you want to open it in the same window or the new tab. Jumped page will take you to that specific page, the number you're putting here. The default zoom is set to auto and the default page mode is set to default. You can choose anything from here. I'm keeping it as it is and click on save. Publish it. Now when you check this PDF, you can see that there is a link with the text check this PDF. When someone clicks this link, a PDF viewer will open, which means this has a PDF viewer behind it. As you can see, a PDF viewer is opening. Isn't this nice? Now let's check out the next option. Take another section and search for PDF. So PDF viewer image. What this will do, this will show an image, and when someone clicks that image, it will open a PDF viewer. Select a viewer and then put the image URL here. Where to find the image URL? Go to your WordPress dashboard and then media. Select any image from here. Let's say this image, and copy that link and put the link in image URL. The auto text and the link target in the same window or in the new window, then white and height, alignment and CSS, and then click save changes, and you can see the image is loaded. Click save and let's open it in a new tab. to see what the difference it made. You can see when I click this image, it opens a PDF viewer. So that's how it works. Now let's delete it. The third option that we're gonna see is PDF Viewer Embed. It will embed a PDF viewer inside this page. So take this, select the PDF that you want, then put the width and height, item title, and jump to page number. Jump to page number is the number that automatically it will move to that page, and then default zoom and page mode. You can choose anything from here. Click Save Changes, save, and again let's test how it looks. You can see a PDF viewer is embedded in this page, which looks pretty nice, and every option is available from here. Also, there is a full screen mode which is clickable, and if you click it, and it will open in full screen. Now the three more options are bookshelf, list grid, and Navigative. Use the bookshelf or the list grid option. You need another add-on that is called Display PDF Viewer WordPress add-on. Let's check it out. It looks really amazing. It will show your PDF files like this on a bookshelf. The file is clickable, and when you click it, it will open as a light box or in a new window. It really looks nice and gives the website a nice user interface, a nice way of presentation the PDFs. So if you want to show your PDF files or ebooks on this bookshelf, you need to get this add-on. There's also two more options, that is grid view and list view. So in the grid view, you can see there are grids of PDFs. In the list view, there are lists of PDF. And in the grid view, there are filtering options like categories, search option, sorting. So this is a great plugin to have. And the last option is Navigative. What Navigative does is it doesn't create a lot of PDF viewer pages. You can show different PDF viewers from one page. So on your website, you can see a lot of PDF viewers, and that's a unique feature to have. Also, it can be nurtured from one place, so it's a brilliant plugin to have. You can get this from CodeCanon. Check the description box to see the link. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. For more such videos and knowledge about WordPress, subscribe to TNC Flipbook.